Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 3.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A measure of global equity markets slid from near record highs. The dollar edged higher and bond yields fell as investors mulled the Federal Reserve's benign inflation outlook. Bitcoin's slide has accelerated, with the coin drifting toward $31,000 once again, while strategists eye a potential break lower. The Japanese yen climbed against its key counterparts in the Asian session as a surge in new infections in the Tokyo region prompted investors to seek the safe haven currency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 GMT, the Eurozone's Consumer Price Index at 900 GMT, the Austrian HICP at 700 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 300 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT, Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.